Hi guys, it's me, Laura, down on the floor, showing you something that gets used all the time in this house. Here it is, this rolling cart. Yes! Rolling carts are so versatile to be used for so many different things. So this one, super easy to put together straight up out of the box. It has the mesh 4 different trays on wheels, I might have, and is so sturdy. So in this house, what it is used for is the art creator of this house. So she's into art, as you probably are wondering, these little teeth thing that she's creating to sell. It has her bucket up here as well as her supplies on top, and more space to even use as she creates more. This is transportable from room to room, so you just need to roll it around. It is sturdy enough, slimline enough, ooh, I'm on carpet, slimline enough to be able to fit into tight spaces. It just slides behind this couch here, and when she needs it, she just pulls it on out. So it is very flexible no matter what room you're using it in. Can be used with children as well, as it is pretty sturdy and able to store so much on these shelves. So if you were in need of a little extra storage that kind of slimlines into the background of things but pulls out when you are needing it, this would be something I would go for.